Hey friends, this is, don't look at my hair. This is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and today, Papa lets me cut down a tree. That's my man. I'm raking away from the fire pit, raking away here so that all the leaves away so we can light a fire. Notice, folks, he is wearing eye and ear protection. Timber! Woohoo! Well, it's about time to start a fire. Are we going to start a fire? But, wow, look at all the sun that's coming in now. Is that a maple? Are those maples, that V there? The true big V's?
Those are right on the property line too.
Excellent. No, better.
No?
Not deep enough. There you go.
Perfect.
Perfect. I've run a chainsaw before, but that was my first tree. You could tell, right?
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how Let's Bev do.
This is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, now I got to go have a shower and check on supper. Take care. God bless.